Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create template in CapCut. So first of all, just open up the CapCut application. Now on the bottom part of the screen, there are four icons like edit, template, inbox and me. Now tap on this template option. Now you will see an option here that says you have to be an actual CapCut creator in order to post templates. So first join agencies here to be a CapCut creator. Now this would take a while since the process is similar to an application process wherein you will be signing up forms and sending video samples. But once your CapCut creator is ready, go and tap on this new project and go edit your video. Add in animations, filters and whatever effects you like to be on your template. After editing, just adjust your resolution. Now tap on this icon to export your video, and after this, I don't have it yet since I am not a CapCut creator, but you should see a post as template button like here on the screenshot I am showing you. So after clicking on that, your template should be uploaded. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.